Okay guys, let's get right into it. So the first step in making my logo is to get some reference pictures. So that's why I'm going on Google. This way really helps a lot, and I've found a lot of success using it. I just passed it, so I'm going to go right back up, and you can see it's some sort of like cube thing. I don't know, it really stuck out to me. So then on the left, I made a really short sketch, and this will give us some reference in the beginning, so it's a lot easier. Okay, so after that, I decided to give it a little bit more of an artsy look. I was going to draw an eraser and a ruler at the bottom. So I made the rookie mistake of trying to draw an eraser with a ruler. God. So I had to redo that one. And if you're wondering if it leaves any marks, on camera you can't really tell, but there is a really faint mark that I might have to deal with in other ways, I guess. But then you'll see soon that I move on to the bottom of the eraser. You just have to make a little bit of a curve. It's not that complicated actually. And then the ruler part of this was really easy because, I have a ruler. And then those little marks, you don't have to be precise at all. It looks like I'm making them straight, but in person they're not really that straight. It doesn't take that much work. You can do it. I believe in you. So I was looking around my room to see if there's anything cool I could incorporate into this logo. And you know what I just realized I should put in the box? Colored pencils. So I was thinking, what if I make a hole in through this line so I can push the pencils through? So what I mean, imagine if this pink pencil went through and it was like that. Imagine this pencil and this pencil. And all the pencils, you know what I mean? Every single pencil. It's gonna make it look so much better. I promise.
Ooh, with the magic of editing, I cut the strips, and now I'm gonna go over it in Sharpie. And while this is going, I want to tell you the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor is Possible Tutorial Drawings. Not Possible Drawing Tutorials. No, that's me. Possible Tutorial Drawings. And that channel is really good, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to them. Thank you. So now I'm about to finish with the Sharpie, and as you can see, now I'm testing it to make sure that it actually lifts up. And this is what I mean when I say I'm actually going to put real pencils in it.
Oh, nice.
It looks really 3D and it looks really cool, so I like it.
Very
Pat it down
nice.
a little bit, and now we're gonna color it. So I say enough talking and more coloring. Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna just keep blabbering on with this one. So I lift it up to check if it's not, sticking to it. Because for some reason the surface I'm on is a little sticky right now. I gotta fix that somehow. And just to spoil it, the other sides are gonna be green and blue. And you're gonna have to watch till the end to see how it looks like. And I have one final thing to say, actually. If you want to, you can comment in the section below, comment section, what you think I should draw next. I am full to any recommendations you're going to say. I will do anything you want. Almost literally anything. I haven't gotten any recommendations yet, so it would be a first. Just saying. Okay, I'm coming into the end, and I'm pretty certain, yeah, this is the time where I go over everything in that second layer of Sharpie. It just makes everything look a little bit more clean. I usually don't use this thick Sharpie, but my coloring was a little bit unneat. So here it is. And now I'm trying to get all these pencils marked away so I can color in the eraser. Usually my color jobs are a lot more detailed on all my other videos, but because this is a logo, I want to keep it nice and simple. So just 3 colors for the eraser, and for the ruler, just 1. But that's when I realized the ruler isn't actually that. It kind of sticks out by being 2D, so I gave it a little bit of depth, and then I color it 3 colors as well. Really, really simple. And now I'm opening it up, and I'm showing you what colors I'm going to use. I'm going to use the browns because I used basically every other color. So now I'm going to finish that top green row so that it actually looks like it's a full cube. And yeah, this is basically it for the reveal.